Got more room. Take it back for next time. So this is Bradley Collins out there grabbing the center on. So recently, so we're glad to have him with us. I'm glad to have him with us. There's a start. He's got his hands like that, man. He's dancing with a pier now. Whoops, got in a little hot.
No puedo sacar.
This will be Bradley Collins' restaurant. We're going to try to put one of these.